This video will show you how to set up modifiers and how to link them to raw goods. First, go to the Inventory tab and then click on the Inventory List page. Click on the menu item you wish to edit, then click on the Modifiers tab. If you want modifiers to display on the iPad, make sure to check this box. The first modifier you will see is the size modifier. If you wish to have a size modifier, check the Enable Size Modifier box. Clicking the plus sign will add additional size options. After you have added them, make sure to label them. You can also assign raw goods to these items. To assign one raw good, select it from the drop-down. To assign additional raw goods, press the plus sign, then select the item from the drop-down. Watch as I create 3 sizes and assign raw goods to them. You will notice I added raw goods before I added additional sizes. That causes the new sizes to start with the original raw goods. You can always go back and remove raw goods, as well as change the quantity. For example, the large and the medium will require more units of raw good than the small did. Please keep in mind, raw goods do not have to be assigned. Assigning raw goods is only for tracking inventory and food costs. To the right, you can set different prices for the items. By checking the default box, you assign the size the system defaults to when ordering. Make sure to always save your changes when in the Modifier tab. The save buttons are located at the top and bottom of the screen. Here you can see the item we just edited as it will appear on the iPad. At the top of every modifier group, you will see a Copy Import Modifiers field. If you wish to copy a modifier from another item, simply find that item and select it. Modifiers will then copy over. The next modifier group is Single Choice Modifiers. This can be a shirt color, cook type, or flavoring. Let's build a flavoring modifier group. First, press the plus at the top. Then give the modifier a group name. Name the first modifier in the group. If you wish to add another modifier to the group, press the plus sign next to the group name. Now name the second modifier. You can assign raw goods here the same way you did above. You can also assign inventory amounts to be deducted from the item when it is made normally, or when it is ordered with a light amount. Farther to the right, you have the option to assign a cost and select the default option. It is important to remember that single choice modifiers will force the user to select an option. The only way around that is to use the special functionality No. We will go over that special functionality button later in the video. This is how the item looks with the size and single choice modifiers. The third modifier group is Included Modifiers. These modifiers are pre-selected when the order is taken, but can be removed from the order by touching them on the iPad. The fourth and final modifier group is Optional Modifiers. Optional modifiers are wonderful for allowing users to quickly customize an order. If a customer wants a coffee with nutmeg and whipped cream, the user can click on those optional modifiers and it will show up in the order window, preparation ticket, and in the inventory. The last section on this page is reserved for the special functionality buttons. These buttons can be enabled to give the user a greater flexibility when placing orders. To use them, click the special functionality button, then the modifier. You will see the text get adjusted in the order window. Thank you for watching. To learn more about your POS system, please refer to the Help tab. There you will find a library of tutorial videos.